Good day, dear gentlemen, and welcome to the presentation held by joint stock company Rosabaron Expert. Today, I would like to demonstrate to you upgraded Mi-35 combat transport helicopter manufactured by joint stock company Rosvertol. The maximum speed is up to 320 km per hour. The service ceiling is up to 4,500 meters. The hovering ceiling is up to 1,750 meters. The weight of the armoring is 1.42 times heavier than of Western helicopters. That provides corresponding increase of crew members' survivability. The is equipped with the powerful armament complex that include 80mm unguided rockets, 23mm gun unit, and unified gun ports housing a gun of 23mm with an ammunition load of 250 rounds that provides engagement of ground targets and enemy's manpower. Depending on the assigned task, the helicopter can apply various armaments configuration. Thanks to the installed OPS-24N1L civilian sighting system, the helicopter can provide execution of combat tasks day and night in favorable and adverse weather conditions. It ensures detection of tank-type round objects at a range of 10 km and identification at up to 8 km.